Thank you for joining. I am just going to wait one more minute for everyone to get through the waiting room, and then we will begin. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our webinar, Beyond PVC, the Future of Industrial Hoses and Ducts. I am your host and presenter, Mika Ryback, and I am grateful for such a wonderful opportunity to talk about totaku with you all today. Before we begin, I have a couple of housekeeping items to go over with you. First, I'd like to let you know that our totaku team is here today virtually from Japan. They will be available for any questions that you may have. So before I make some brief introductions, I wanted to let you know that we have invited our interpreter, Naomi, to the meeting to help with translations. In order for you to hear them, please turn on the interpretation feature in the Zoom menu bar and select English. Here are the instructions to help you get set up. It should take less than 30 seconds very quickly, so I'll leave this up here while you get it selected and started. Okay, hopefully you were able to activate the interpretation. So now I would like to introduce to you all the president of Totaku, Nakanishi Toshihiro. He would like to say a couple of opening words to you all.
Hello, I'm Nakanishi. I'm glad to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you, Nakanishi-san. Okay, now I will go over the agenda with you all today. So first, we're going to provide an overview of Totaku, and next I will review Totaku's product line and individual products. Then I will review 4 different case studies from Totaku's customers, and lastly, we will end with a Q&A. Throughout the presentation, please enter all questions into the Q&A chat feature in the menu bar. The Totaku team will be answering all questions at the end of the call, and we really look forward to the discussion. So without further ado, our Totaku overview. So Totaku was founded in 1952, and for the last 70 years has really been at the forefront of innovation in this industry. Many of you may not know, but Totaku introduced the world's first flexible hose. Our mission at Totaku extends well beyond our products. Our goal is to create solutions that address our customers' challenges and contribute to a better future. Our core strengths are that we are market leaders, create customized solutions, and our core technologies. As I've mentioned, we're a pioneer in this industry and introduced the world's first flexible hose. And we have also continued to innovate in this industry and lead the market in hoses and pipes. Our custom solutions are another core strength of ours. We're proud to be able to manage everything in-house at our factories, from material research to the design of the manufacturing equipment. Everything is managed by us. And lastly, our core technology. We handle a wide range of materials, including plastic, rubber, metal, nonwoven fabric, and composite materials such as multi-layer composite metal processing. These strengths enable us to collaborate with our customers and help solve their challenges across many industries and applications. Our core competence relies on our ability to continually innovate through customization with our in-house proprietary machinery and technology. We pride ourselves on our unmatched quality and performance and our ability to meet the evolving needs of our customers with the absolute best products and service. When working with Totaku, this is our typical process and technology. First, we start with R&D. In the R&D phase, we are focusing on the materials, including the selection, formulation, modification, as well as collaborating with our suppliers and compounders. We also look at manufacturing and designing original machines for materials. All of our machines are made by us. Then we look at our processes to determine the right ones, such as extrusion. And finally, our post process, where we cut, assemble parts, and complete joining, which can be customized by order. This leads to the commercialization of our products, where we create new or modify them and bring them to our customers and the market. From there, the process starts again with our customer and the market's feedback and requests. Next, we would like to go into detail about our products. Totaku products are known for their ability to improve our customers' work efficiency in every situation. We will be discussing 3 categories of products that Totaku offers so that you can get a good idea of the depth and breadth of our offerings. First are our industrial hoses. Most of these products are made with PVC, and we also have some PVC-free options as well. We have multiple lines to meet your customers' requirements. The target application for these hoses are broad. For example, abrasion resistance, heat resistance, anti-static, and more. As shown in the pictures, our hoses can be used in many different situations as well. In the next section of the presentation, we will be going in depth on a few of our industrial hoses. That's okay. Oh, is that working? Okay, thank you. No, don't worry, thank you. Okay. Next is our line of corrugated pipes for electrical equipment. The main application is used as a protective pipe for electric wires underground. In Japan, as well as in the US, electrical wires are buried below ground and put in the cable protective pipe. These products are mainly made by polyethylene. For these types of pipe, the most common shape is round, which we produce. However, we are also the first in the world to launch square products and composite products with metal. The main application is urban development without utility poles, wind power generation, and solar power generation. We have also developed products for use as temporary piping, which is primarily used when repairing expressways. Last is our pipes for civil engineering. The main application is rainwater collection and drainage pipes. These products are the perfect solution for drainage in parks and golf courses and similar areas. We use lightweight and high-strength resin pipes to best support these civil engineering projects for drainage systems. In this section, we'll be going into detail on a few of our industrial hoses. So first are our suction and discharge hoses. On the left side of the slide shows our standard suction and discharge hose. This hose consists of soft and hard PVC and is called the Totaku SDA. It has an uneven outer surface for flexibility, and the hose below that is the Totaku SDC and has a flat outer surface for superior pressure resistance compared to the Totaku SDA. However, we have another hose, the totaku Line Ace, which meets the needs of both high pressure and flexibility when they're needed. The Totaku Line Ace is an example of a customized product that was born from a customer challenge. The customer came to us needing a hose that was able to withstand high pressure while also being flexible, and we worked closely with them to develop this product and bring it to market for others to benefit from as well. Additionally, we have the Totaku Eco line. This product is PVC-free and is food-grade quality. The photo shows the Totaku Line Ace submersible pump being used to transport stagnant spring water from a river. This is a great option if your customer needs a lightweight and flexible solution that is food-grade with the added benefit of being PVC-free. EcoDuct industrial ducting hose. This product is additive-free and certified for the Japanese food grade standard. We are currently in the process of obtaining a US FDA approval for this hose. This hose is highly durable, especially for repeated bending. This hose has been tested and proven to withstand over 1 million bending cycles with no cracks. We recommend this product for facility equipment that requires high durability. This product is a great option for your customers needing longevity in their products. Though the Totaku EcoDuct is a food grade hose, it can also be used on other industries and applications, such as semiconductor. Our next product is the totaku Eco line. This product is made by olefin elastomer and polypropylene, meaning it is additive free. This product is also certified for the Japanese food grade standard. Some benefits of this product is that it has a low odor transfer due to the materials, and it is also high pressure resistant. Additionally, it is very lightweight and flexible and is also semi-transparent, making it easy for the customer to conduct visual checks of the material flow. Lastly, we have our proprietary hose assembly system, Shimatak. Typically, a hose is used with an attachment. However, this presents a challenge for the user because it's really hard to install the attachment due to the unevenness of the hose fitting. The Shimatak hose assembly system can make it easier, and we offer a variety of Shimatak systems to match our hoses and the customer's needs. Our system is innovative and solves a large challenge in this industry as it improves the overall efficiency for installation, is reusable and highly durable, and is adjustable on site. In the next section, we will review some examples of how Shimatak has been implemented with some of our customers and the results. So now we will present 4 case studies of our products to demonstrate how they have improved the overall operational efficiency for our customers. So in this first case study, we will be featuring Shimatak. One of our customers, who is a dairy product manufacturer, was facing an ongoing problem with liquid leakage occurring from a hose coupling. With this coupling, the joint was held in place by a clamp, and it was very difficult to replace, as is commonly an issue with these standard couplings. Totaku suggested that the customer replace their current solution with Totaku Ecoline hose and Shimatak assembly system to solve the recurring issue. On the right, you can see the steps for assembly of the system, and it shows how truly simple it is to use. So first, you insert the Shimatak fitting into the hose. It's easy to install because part of the fitting is flat. Next, you fit the holder and the 2 clamps onto the underside of the hose. You adjust them so that the end of the hose is on top. Third, you fit the other holder onto the upper side of the hose. And last, insert the bolts into the clamps and tighten the bolts evenly to the specified torque to complete the installation. After installing our hoses and assembly system, the result was that their leakage issue was completely solved. This greatly improved the dairy manufacturer's overall operations. In our next case study, we will be featuring our SDAS hose versus our Eco SDAS hoses. In this case study, we had a customer that conveyed plastic pellets and was facing a reoccurring problem where the powder kept clogging with standard PVC hose, SDAS. This is a common challenge with powder and pellet conveyance. So after assessing the issue, Totaku suggested the customer replace the hose with the Eco SDAS. This hose is additive free and has a special inner surface that promotes a smooth and slippery surface, providing a high conveying capacity and increasing efficiency. As a result of making this change, the customer's overall conveying capacity improved by 55%. Again, greatly improving the efficiency and overall operations and output for this customer. In this next slide, it shows a conveyance comparative study for the Totaku SDAS as the standard hose and the Totaku Eco SDAS as the improved hose with the improved slipperiness. So in the images, you can see the study machine that we utilized for this test, which attached both kinds of hoses to measure the conveyance. For this test, glass beads were placed in the inner box for both hoses. The left side of the box right here is the Totaku SDAS, and the right is the Eco SDAS. And so as you can see, the box of glass beads attaching is significantly faster as we flipped the machine over by a half turn, and it's significantly faster than the Totaku SDAS, and it further demonstrates the conveying effectiveness of the Eco SDAS. You can also watch the video of this test actually being conducted by clicking this QR code. In the third case study, we will again be featuring our Shimatac system as well as our EcoLine hose 100°C hose. In this example, our customer is a lithium-ion battery manufacturer and was searching for a new hose. They needed a chemical resistance hose because the standard PVC hose cannot withstand the chemicals that they use in their processes. So Totaku recommended the Totaku EcoLine 100°C hose and the Shimatac system again. The EcoLine 100°C hose can withstand very high temperatures as well as handle chemicals compared to the standard PVC hoses, making it a really great solution in cases like this. Additionally, the Shimatac assembly system is safe and secure, reducing the risk of leakage, which can be dangerous in these situations. The customer was very satisfied with the solution because they can now use our hose without any worries. The final case study is about Totaku's Duct EE and EcoDuct hoses. So our customer that used the machines depicted, which moves the hose together back and forth, and they were searching for a high durability hose. These pictures show our study of durability comparing the Totaku Duct EE as the PVC standard hose and the EcoDuct as the PVC free hose. The left picture shows the repeated bending test by the machine. As you can see, cracks started to appear in the duct EE after about 240,000 bending cycles. On the other hand, when we tested the EcoDuct at over 250,000 bending cycles, we did not have any cracks, even minor ones. From this test, we're able to demonstrate the superior durability of the EcoDuct hose. As we wrap up our presentation, I really want to thank you all for your attendance. We've discussed our legacy as pioneers in the hose and pipe industry, as the first to introduce the flexible hose, and our commitment to innovation, our custom and proprietary solutions to meet your customers' needs, our products that serve a vast number of industries and applications, and real examples of how our products have improved our customers' operations. Thank you all for your time today. I'm going to now open it up for any questions that have been asked during the presentation, as well as any others you may have now. As a reminder, in order to hear the responses to some of your questions for those that will be asked or answered by the Totaku teams, please just make sure that English is selected in the interpretation bar. Okay, with that, I will pause and go ahead and start with some of our questions. Okay. So someone asked first if we will be sending out a recording of the webinar. Yes, thank you, Joy, for answering that. And then we have a question about a how-to video on showing how quickly it is to install the Shimatac hose coupling system. Yes, so we do have a video that we are able to provide that does show this. Additionally, what parts of the semiconductor industry do you see the most effective use of your flexible hoses? Um, okay, Naomi, do you want to respond with the answer? Continue. Thank you. Okay. Yes, and I think they're really looking for what's the most effective use for their hoses in the semiconductor industry. And while you're getting that answer with the Totaku team, I can also answer some additional questions that have come through. Okay. Okay. While they're getting that response, Paolo, I want to go to your question of the duct EE versus the eco duct. How many times was this test performed to show the durability? So for the duct EE, at 240,000 cycles, it cracked. So I believe the test was concluded at that point. And then for the eco duct, 250,000 cycles. Wonderful. Thank you. One more question that I see here. Is this now available now in the US? No, I think this is talking about all of our products that we've presented today. You're welcome, Paolo. Thank you so much for your question. Okay, great. Thank you, Naomi-san. And I would also say too, um, I would also say too that if you have any questions about our products and want to further understand exactly what is available through Masumi, or just additional questions that you could also reach out to, I'll have his contact information here, Amit Sachdeva, at Nagase with Totaku, and Amit will be able to support and answer any questions and direct you to the right companies for the products. Another question just came through from Paulo about, is there a viscosity level that the food grade hoses perform best at? So hot sauce versus degreasers, for an example. Naomi, while you're getting an answer to that question, I'm also going to answer some common questions as well. We often get questions of what is the lifetime of a hose? And so the lifetime of our hoses really varies depending on factors such as usage conditions, the type of fluid, and the temperature. With proper care and under the ideal conditions, our hoses are really designed for durability and long-term use. Another question that came in is, can Shimatak be used with hoses from other manufacturers? So Shimatak is specifically designed for our hoses, as other manufacturers' hoses may have different shapes. So for the best results, we recommend using Shimatak with our competitor hoses just to ensure maximum efficiency. Another question is how many, oh, go ahead. Yes. And then another question from Paulo coming in. Do you have a list of hoses in which you have a cross equivalent? Yes, understood. Okay, great. Naomi, while you're getting Paulo's question. Yeah. Paulo, I see your response. If you could clarify, um, for Naomi, we can get your question answered. He means competitors' specifications. So do we have a list of hoses in which we have a cross equivalent? While you're getting an answer, I will talk about another question we get. So another one commonly is similar to our hoses, how many times can customers reuse ShimAttack? And so while the exact number of uses again depends on various factors, ShimAttack is designed for repeated use as long as there are no signs of wear, such as cracks, making it a really durable and reliable option. We also commonly get a question. Oh, go ahead. Okay, understood. Okay. And with that, I think we will go ahead and wrap up the Q&A portion of the webinar. Thank you all so much for your questions and your time today. We really appreciate the opportunity to get to speak with you all and share more information about Totaku. As we've mentioned in the Q&A, the recording of the presentation will be sent to you. And if you have any further questions, as I've mentioned, or want to further discuss our solutions, please contact Amit Sachdeva. Here is his information. And again, it will be sent to you afterwards. Thank you all so much for your time today. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.